have we got here? I just came back from my favorite place, the Home Depot. And what do you suppose I got in here? Yes, this is just going to be a quick little video. Where can I set this up? I'm going to set it right over here. Okay. We'll see what I got in these. Oh, let's see what I got in these bags right here. Yes, I got some more. Voila! Smoke alarms. More smoke alarms. Yes, sir. And there's different kinds of smoke alarms. See this one here? This one, you look at that, that means it's hardwired, and it also has a 10-year battery in here, 10-year life battery backup. And that has a lithium battery in it, and it's also hardwired to your electrical system. So I've got some of those. This is just for smoke. See, you look on here, there's all kinds of smoke alarms. When you get to the store, you think, okay, I just get one. And then you see that there's 8 or 9 different kinds. And you're like, what the heck? Which one is which? Now see, this one here looks slightly different. These 4 are the same. And so those are hardwired, and they're the 10-year battery backup. And that's just smoke alarm. Then there's another style here. This is a combination. This is also hardwired, and it's got a 10-year battery backup in there, and it has a lithium battery backup. And you got to check these out because some of them have 9-volt batteries that you have to replace every 6 months to a year. Now this one is a combination, and for this it says detects smoke and carbon monoxide. And this one here you put in right before the kitchen. Okay, so I've got one project that I'm going to do for my aunt. She's got 4 smoke alarms for her bedrooms, and then she's got one by the kitchen. You don't put this inside the kitchen, it's on the outside of the kitchen, and those are all hardwired. So that's one little project. And then I got another one. See, these are slightly different. It's like, how come these are different? Well, like I said, there's different ones at the store. And see, there's 4 that are separate. There's one, and here's one here. These are a smoke alarm, and they're also a 10-year battery backup. But they're not hardwired. They are just the 10-year battery backup, lithium battery in here. And they're good for 10 years. You got to look on all your labels because not all of them are the same. Some are standard battery, some don't have battery and just are hardwired. And you're like, okay, which ones do I need? When you're at the hardware store, talk to a salesman, tell them what you want. See, this one here comes with little plastic anchors because this one I'm just going to install in a bedroom that is not hardwired. So I'm just going to screw this up to the ceiling and hook it up with your plastic anchors, and they give you some little screws here, and that's all you have to do, and it's just going to be controlled by a battery. Okay, but then next to the kitchen in the hallway, outside the kitchen, this one's just going to be battery too, but it's going to be for smoke and CO. See here, 10-year life smoke and CO alarm, which means it detects carbon monoxide. Okay, so that one's downstairs, and then they have one upstairs next to the bedrooms that's hardwired. There's only one that's hardwired in the entire building, the house. I'm not quite sure what that was all about. And I'm going to use a hardwired one up by the bedrooms in the hallway, but I'm going to have the combination so it detects smoke and carbon monoxide, and it's also hardwired to the system. See this little thing here, there's 2 wires with a wire nut, and you also look at it, it says hardwire. Okay, and it's got the 10-year lithium, it's got the 10-year life battery backup, but when you read it, it's a lithium battery. Okay, so that one's going to go up there, and like I say, they have other ones too. So when it comes time to smoke alarms, double check and make sure you know what you're paying for, and if you have any questions, talk to your friendly salesperson. All right, guess I got some work to do. Hey, don't worry. If you need some help installing your smoke alarm, I have those videos on my YouTube channel, and you'll see all of my videos are going to be over there in different categories and stuff. And look under smoke alarms or electrical, and it might take you over to smoke alarms. And I'll show you how to install smoke alarms such as this to help you out. Hey, there's no excuse for you to save some money by doing it yourself. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.